step-by-step guide, how to successfully find a phone number by address. Have you ever needed to find a phone number but only had an address to go on? Sounds like a detective story, right? In reality, it's a common scenario many of us face. This video will guide you through finding a phone number by using an address step-by-step. Before we dive into the how, let's explore the why. For individuals, this method can help reconnect with long-lost friends or family. Businesses can verify customer information or enhance marketing efforts. Understanding these reasons highlights the tool's versatility. Imagine losing touch with a dear friend. You have an old address but no phone number. Finding that number can rekindle the connection. Or if sending a surprise gift, having the recipient's phone ensures smooth delivery. Moreover, in emergencies, this skill can save lives by enabling prompt wellness checks. For businesses, incomplete databases are common. Finding a phone number enhances data verification, ensuring accuracy. In marketing, targeting customers based on location-specific data becomes more precise. Plus, providing exemplary customer service often requires direct phone contact when emails fall short. Reverse address lookup is a tool to find information linked to an address. From phone numbers to names and even emails, it reveals details. However, success depends on the accuracy of the address information entered. Reliable platforms yield the best results. First, gather all available address details: street, number, city, state, and zip code. Next, use a reverse address lookup platform. Double-check your data before searching. Once results appear, analyze them carefully. If multiple numbers show up, further validation might be needed using a phone validator. Upon finding the phone number, act based on your initial intentions. For personal motives, it's time to reconnect. For businesses, integrate the data into your customer database. Always remember to use information ethically, respecting privacy laws and regulations. For bulk searches, Data Append offers an automated solution. It's a method to enrich databases with phone numbers by processing address lists. This efficient approach suits businesses needing extensive data. Integrating a Data Append API can further streamline real-time data retrieval. Beyond phone numbers, data appending allows adding names, emails, and more to your database. This versatility enhances marketing and sales efforts. It's a time-saving tool for businesses aiming to bolster their customer data with comprehensive information. Finally, equip yourself with these robust tools to find phone numbers by address efficiently. Whether you choose reverse address lookup or data appending, you'll be ready for any situation. Start leveraging these methods today. And for more personalized assistance, explore Searchbug's offerings to get started with your data needs. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide helped you. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.